She gonna bring me to get my tacos. I'm gonna say, girl, come on, you taking too long. But I'm gonna get myself together and I'm gonna show y'all what I can do. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that I got me some mascara. I got me one eyelash. And I got me some lip gloss and I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna be back. Cause your girl is much. I'm finna get ready to go in the car, so yeah. Let's go.
Your dog was like 5 minutes away from us.
Hey, Mama. What?
Shanae, what is you doing?
Let's go. What you taking so long for, girl? My tacos already got hard and cold. Come on, let's go. We ain't got all that time. Let's go. Put that seatbelt on. Let's go.
You gotta put the L on first.
Put that L on.
What is you doing, Shanae?
Oh, I got my lipstick. Oh, we can't forget that. What? Drive the car. Why is you looking at me? Oh. Ooh, it's so hot. My wig starting to itch.
Shanae, man, what is you doing?
What?
What is wrong with you?
Why is you worried about me? You need to focus on the road. The road.
Shanae, man.
Oh, this wig itching. I'm ready to take
Man,
it
you
off.
got no wig in your...
I'm a motherfucking leader standing on my back.
I'm going to say, Shanae, get us something to eat.
That's what you can buy me.
Okay.
No, I cannot buy you no more. I'm on a fixed income. Please. I'm on a fixed income. Now let's go before we run out of gas. We only got 20.26 miles. Let's go. This wig getting on my nerves. I knew I shouldn't have paid that girl $250 for this. She didn't know what she was doing.
Shanae, man. I don't know what the hell you had, but you need to calm the hell down.
Sis, you focus on the road right now. You don't worry about me because I'm just sure easy. And you don't
I don't give a damn if your name was Shadoozy.
Just drive the car.
No, you drive the damn car.
Take me and get my tacos. Like, I want my tacos. Like, go give me my tacos.
Alright, you want your tacos? Okay, you want your tacos? You gonna get some tacos today. You gonna get some tacos.
Why aren't you going all the way over there? Now, what if we would have hit that mailbox? You would have had to pay for it, not me. I'm not the one that's driving. Got me sweating in this 90-degree weather.
Shadame, why is there a camera in my
Yes,
face?
Miss Coco. Why don't you keep calling me?
Why is there a camera in my face? Is that... I need to make sure that boy ain't over there.
Where's my lip gloss?
You don't need no more lip gloss on your... Let me see something real quick.
Why is you worried about me?
Shadame,
I'm 22.
you wish you was 22. If you was 22, baby...
You finna go all in the ditch.
If you was 22, you would help me pay some bills.
I don't stay with you.
My point exactly.
I got my own apartment.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna come move out and I'm gonna come stay with you.
You're not coming moving nowhere. You don't even run your AC for me. I like to sleep cold, not hot.
Sure. I'm riding around with no seatbelt on.
You need to put that seatbelt on. We try to get pulled over. You know these police be hot. Trying to go get our tacos. Like my last girl. The other one, I don't know where it went. What you go? Why are we standing behind this truck? I need to go get my tacos. Now he want to move. Now he want to
What's
move.
wrong with you? What did you eat today?
I ain't
Cause you
eat
so hyper and stuff. There's too much lip gloss on your damn lip.
Why is you hating?
Nah, baby.
You is a hater. Why is you worried about me?
I never hate, baby. I'm a congratulating person before I hate them.
Oh, she always worried about me.
You are supposed to worry about you. You my responsibility. I'm supposed to worry about
Would you mind your business and focus on the road? Don't say nothing till we go get these tacos.
Shadama, who you think you talking to?
Girl, we finna hit this all about you. Who you get your license from?
Shadama, who you think you talking to?
I'm talking to Coco.
Why is you holding that phone up?
Coco.
You got the camera? What is you doing?
finna hit.
You look good already. You worried about the wrong thing.
That girl ain't doing my wig no more. She messed it up. She really not doing my wig no more.
Yeah, you must be on some child, because I don't know what's your problem.
Girl, it's like we finna hit this wall, to be honest. Why is that wall so close? They need to fix it.
Why you got on one lash? Why the other lash?
Because my dog, you know, she ate it. You got that seatbelt on, man. You got that seatbelt on.
I drive safe.
I do too. You got the air on, you got the window down. Would you go a little faster? Why we only going 2 miles per hour? Go a little faster.
Do you want to drive? Do you want to drive?
I get us there on time.
Do you want to drive? No, what's your problem
This
is
truck
today?
taking too long. He got too many boxes in the back of that truck. Maybe he shouldn't have picked them up. He taking too long. Taco place probably be closed by now.
Girl, slow down. Ain't nobody here understand. Then you saying, what is you saying? Blah, blah, blah.
The taco place might be closed. Do I need to go a little slower?
Nah, but I'm about to push you out this car. That's what I'm about to do. You about to get pushed out this car. Talking about wigs and stuff.
I got a little bundle right here. You know, she coming. It's not my
Why you acting like that? You want to be ratchet?
First of all, it's not Ratchet, it's Ratchet.
I don't care if it was Rucci. Do you want to be Rucci, ratchet, classy, or which one do you want to be? Because I prefer classy.
I am classy, and you're very bougie.
Nah, I would never be bougie. Well, hey, I wonder how would life be if I become bougie. Let's take a look. I'm a bougie. What's your name? Follow me on.
Oh my God, would you stop talking? You've been talking since I got in the car. Like, why is you still talking? Just drive.
Let me tell you one god doggone thing right now. I don't know who you think you is, but I'm gonna tell you something.
Just get to this taco place.
I brought you in this world, and I will snatch you out.
I heard that so many times. I was supposed to jump on my drawers.
I will snatch you out. You girl, you looking. Somebody better hold me back.
Don't touch me.
Somebody better hold me back.
Don't touch me.
I will take the hand off this steering wheel and hurt you.
You need to focus on this road. Is we almost there?
Oh, who you think you talking to?
I'm talking to Coco Empire, the one that's on YouTube.
That's me, baby. I don't know what's your problem.
So slow. So slow.
Yes, I drive like a grandma, so what? So what?
You need to come out with this big old monster truck you got.
You can't be rushing these people to go.
Where the place at?
Right here.
Where?
Inside here.
Oh, inside there.
You gotta reach your destination, ma'am. Get the H-E-L.
Yeah, I will get out of it. You won't get none either. You just gonna be hungry for the rest of the day.
No, you gonna get me a fajita taco with cheese.
You gonna come in there too, cuz.
You got your mask?
No. I ain't even. Oh, it's one right here.
You mask up around here. I lost my head. Hey, you look good.
Why are we driving so slow?
Shadami, I'm not driving slow. I told you.
Look, that's why the people come from you.
I don't care. I don't care. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Well,
I don't want no ticket.
I think you should move in them apartments right there.
Them apartments I'm supposed to be going to go look at, though.
They look nice.
I'm supposed to be going to look at them apartments. Anything else? Since your wig and all that is messed up.
No, it inch.
Okay, well, pat it in.
Both of you.
Ghetto
Should I when it stop? Just stop the phone recording for me, okay? That's the thing. Pat. You go pat.
Let me pat yours.
Pat that wig.
Let me pat yours.
Pat that wig.
Let me pat yours.
Pat it. Hey, pat it. This how them bougie girls be doing when they be getting they just got their hand in their nails done. They be looking like this. They be like, oh girl, I just got my hair done. Like for real, I just got my hair done. My hair hurt. Oh, it's itching. Just like make sure my lashes is right.
You don't even got lashes. Them little bitty old eyelash. What you talking
I don't
about?
need none, but period.
I thought you said nobody say that. I thought you said nobody say that no more. That's lame or whatever you said.
It is lame, but I'm not the one
But you just said no.
I ain't the only one that can say it, period. Period.
Look, you messing up the whole word.
Period. You lame.
Spell it.
L.
Why taking you so long? You supposed to automatically know at the top of your head.
M. E. You spell it.
L-A-M-E.
My point exactly. You lame. You just called your own self lame.
No, you the one called yourself lame
You just
first.
called your own self lame.
They call Vero. What they call? Viro? Vero?
They hot too.
You could put your car. I'll be hot too. Look how they look. They look nice. They got the coat you can put your car in the garage. They better have a swimming pool too, because I know they pool.
You know they do.
Try to build it, bro.
Yeah, I said I was gonna go check them out. I'm gonna go check it out. They high though. Somebody I know, she got a 2-bedroom. Her ring's almost like $1,000.
That's an iPhone 7 $29.99. They be lying. I need to get my phone fixed. You gonna take me to go get my phone fixed? I only charge 50 cents.
50 cents.
Mm-hmm.
If that's the case, where is it?
What? What at?
The place to get your
We
phone
just passed
fixed.
it up. It said 50 cents. It's no joke. It's for real.
You got money.
Nah, she knows she. Oh. Girl, you know you hot. Stop fronting. She knows she hot.
Why you bothering people, huh? Why you bothering people, man?
Cause you wanna know something? Wanna know something?
No, I don't.
You wanna know something?
Yeah, what you about to tell me?
You just a prank.
Shadai man.
Ooh, these cars look like they coming too close.
Wait, what's a prank?
I was just acting ratchet to see, get your reaction. Apparently you were saying the most dumbest stuff back.
You was so.
My hand started to hurt.
Wait, you was recording the whole time?
Yeah. I'll make it seem like it's a vlog, but it's really not. I was acting ratchet to get your reaction.
Well, you want me to tell you something?
But yeah, y'all, what you got? You want to tell them what to do to your video?
Bro,
Yeah,
bitch,
y'all,
before
I'm
you
about
go
to
back
tell y'all
into
what I
work,
need
look
y'all
at
to
this
do.
video. Mackenzie said they airdropped
Said
this today at
Shanice
school.
trying
I
to
ain't
prank
fucking
me.
with it. I know that boy. He ride my bus, bro.
The camera not on me. I want y'all to comment down below and y'all tell me what prank y'all want me to do on her next. Since she called herself pranking me, trying to act all ratchet and stuff. So make sure y'all comment down below and y'all let me know what prank should I do on Shadai. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, we are